guys, and welcome to our second episode of our series Witches Night. Today we're gonna start making our wall decor or door decor. For this we're gonna need one of this witch's hat. I bought it in the 99-cent store for 99 cents. I bought these two shoes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them. I bought this Deco mesh from Walmart. I paid like $3.98, I guess. I bought one of these spiders from Walmart from 98 cents. We're gonna need this type of wire. You can use some pipe cleaners. I'm using this wire because I couldn't find any pipe cleaners. Wire cutter and our scissors. To start our project, we're gonna use our Deco mesh. Get it out of here. I bought plain black one. And we're gonna start cutting pieces of this mesh like so. Smaller ones, we don't want big ones. And I'm gonna show you how we're going to use them. I'm gonna make the first one here on camera, and after that I'm gonna make my bunches and then show you how we're gonna use them. Okay, we're gonna get 3 of this and we're gonna start doing this. We have a bunch. This is gonna get like this in our hat, and then we're gonna take one of these wires and we're gonna cut a little piece, not much, and we're gonna grab that one and get it on the center. Not much, just a little bit of a twist, and we're gonna use this like this in our wreath or hat. So we're gonna fill all of our hat with some of this. So I'm gonna get my bunches and I'm gonna come back to show you how we're gonna style this wreath. Now that we have a bunch of them done, I want to show you how we're gonna make this. So first of all, I'm gonna take off this gold tinsel. And like that, we have a black wreath to work with. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find this place of our wreath and we're gonna take it like this, and then we're gonna give it a good twist with our pliers. I'm gonna pinch them right here and twist them. After we have given it a couple of twists, we're gonna cut the wire and put it facing downwards, and like that we're gonna start building up our wreath. As you can see, it's starting to get fuller. This will fill up all of this part, and we're gonna start also adding in this row and in this row. Okay? And that's how it should look. Now I'm gonna keep on building this part, and I'm gonna show you how it turns out and what we're gonna do next. Now we are getting to our last 2 of our rolls that we're putting over here, and I wanted to show you how it's looking. It's looking pretty full, and what we've been doing. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna take this price tag off, and this is how it looks. Look how full this looks. Now I'm happy with this witch's hat. And now we're gonna put our little spider somewhere over here, I'm gonna use this clip. That it comes with, and I'm gonna stick it to our mesh. And this is how it looks. You can add the witch's shoes over here. I love how they look. I really love how they look, so we're adding that using the same floral wire. Look at that, it's amazing. Now I'm gonna set it up so you can see it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, here's the top part, our beautiful spider, glittery spider, our fluff, and the cutest witch's shoes ever. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these types of videos, part of our Witches Night series. Take care. Bye.